this guide, I'm going to show you how you can restart GTA 5 Online on your Xbox Series S. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This method is a little bit different compared to the PC option, but it is still super easy to do and will let you start fresh. There is an easy option though. If you actually open up your settings and then go over to the online tab, you're going to see an option on here for either swap character or manage characters. Go ahead and select this, and from here, once you confirm it, you'll be able to create a brand new character and start over at level 1. This will let you play fresh with a new character. Just keep in mind it's not going to fully reset your mission progress. If you want a complete reset including missions, there is another method. Essentially, your Xbox account is going to be linked to a Rockstar Games social club account. You just need to unlink it. To do this, just open up, either on a console browser, either on your phone or your PC, the Rockstar Games social club website. Whenever you're here, find the linked account section and just disconnect your Xbox from that Rockstar account. After unlinking it, get back in GTA 5 Online on that console and you'll be able to start from the very beginning. Another option is just simply logging into your console using a different Rockstar Games account. Whenever you do that, GTA Online will launch like you are a brand new player and let you start fresh that way as well. But that is it. That is how you can restart GTA 5 Online here on an Xbox Series S. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.